Hydroponics farming, a method of farming in water instead of soil, is slowly taking root in the country. The Food and Agriculture Organization sees it as a viable option for food security, countering challenges posed by climate change and diminishing land for cultivation. Tonight on Young and Industrious, AWINJA AMIMO speaks to 29-year-old graduate of Education Arts who decided to venture into hydroponic farming.
Into the future of farming. Welcome to a world where agriculture reaches new heights, a world where soil is no longer a requirement for growing food. Let's see how the future of farming is being redefined through hydroponic agriculture. The art of planting soilless crops, otherwise known as hydroponic farming, is gradually becoming a popular system of crop production. In Kenya, Derek Mboya is one of the farmers who has embraced hydroponics and has no regrets.
We do a zero grazing for the plants. We feed them. We give them everything they need. If it's a spray that needs to be sprayed, we spray them. And so it's a more of controlled environment. That's why I chose hydroponics compared to the conventional way of doing farming.
His love for farming goes back to 2016, when as a second-year education arts student at Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology, he ventured into maize, vegetables and potato farming in the conventional way.
Soil hosts a lot of pathogens that will cause diseases to the plants, whether fungal or bacterial.
These challenges led him to explore hydroponics at Miramal College. Here, soil is replaced by a mixture of pumice and cocoa peat.
So the dust that falls from the coconut husk or the cover is what we call the cocoa peat. So what we do is we mix this one because this one has high water retention, but then the pumice has capability, it's inert, so it doesn't hold anything that passes through it, and that's why it's a good combination.
His English cucumbers are ready for harvest.
We do have locals and English. So what we chose for this greenhouse is the English variety because the English variety can fetch us a lot of money when you go to the market.
Since the plant stem cannot stand on its own, strings are specifically for the support. Also, there is a sticky trap to hold the insects.
There are different colors, so you'll find a yellow one and a blue one. So depending on the colors, they attract different insects.
As opposed to the traditional way of using manure, feeding in this system is slightly different.
We have this pipe, the main pipe that feeds the drip systems, that equally feeds the trough where the plants are supported by the media. We use the soluble nutrients to feed the greenhouse now.
But before planting the next crop, he has to disinfect the whole greenhouse to avoid contamination.
We will remove everything, clean it up, and after 1 week, disinfect the entire greenhouse, then do a short-term crop to maybe give a bridge between this particular cycle that has ended, and the next cycle that is about to start.
He does not regret leaving the conventional way and venturing into hydroponics, terming it more efficient and with few challenges.
Flower abortion is whereby the flower just withers and falls down on its own. So that means every flower that you lose, you've lost fruit.
He applies his teaching career through training new farmers in hydroponics.
Education is a career. Equally, agriculture is a career. So I've found a way of merging the two and facilitating and teaching other people agriculture. At the same time, I'm doing it myself.
Hydroponic technology represents a promising and innovative approach to farming, especially in the urban setup. As this method continues to advance, we can expect a resilient and secure food supply. AWINJA AMIMO, reporting for Young and Industrious KBC.